Hello. Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson, that is absolute value of a real number. What is the absolute value of a real number? It is also called modulus. Modulus of the number. So you have studied how a real number can represent in a number line, both rational and irrational number. Here we will study what is the absolute value of the real number. In the number line, it is observed that for every number except 0, there are two values for every real number: positive value and negative value. For example, 5, plus 5 and minus 5, plus 7 and minus 7. But it has been seen that this both the values, or the number having both the values, are at equal distance from the origin, from 0. So their value is same. They are at equal distance from the origin, from 0. Whether it is positive or negative, this value determine, that is, how far is the real number from 0, gives the absolute value. For example, if you want to find the absolute value of minus 13, what it is? It can be said that minus 13 is at 13 unit away from 0 to the left. If the number is plus 13, what does it mean? It is at 13 unit away from 0 to the right. So both the quantity of measurement of distance is same. One is to the left and the other is to the right. This quantity of measurement is called absolute value. So absolute value can be defined as the maximum value of that number. Means what? For any real number, positive value is there, negative values. Which is the maximum, which is greater? The positive value. So maximum value of that number means the positive value. Whether it is positive or negative, the absolute value is positive. Because distance is always positive. The value of that number. Maximum value of that number. For example, absolute value of minus 7 is 7. Absolute value of plus 7 is 7. The 7 and minus 7 are both the values of the number 7. So which is the maximum value? Plus 7. Clear? So absolute value indicates how far is from the origin or from the number 0. Only for 0 there is only value, that is 0. So absolute value of 0 is 0 and it is represented by the simple double vertical line. Absolute, this read as absolute value of A or modulus of A. Absolute value of A is, if no sign means positive, A is A. Absolute value of minus A is A. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Now see some arithmetic operation inside the absolute value. What is the final result you see? Absolute value of 2 minus 3. You have studied how to subtract integer. Subtracting larger number from smaller number means what? What is that? Subtract smaller number from larger number and give negative sign. So 2 minus 3. Find 3 minus 2 and give negative sign. That is answer is 2 minus 3. The answer is minus 1. So what is the value? The question is what is the absolute value of 2 minus 3? And we got the, on simplifying, absolute value of minus 1. Answer is 1. Another one, what is the absolute value of minus 5 plus 7? Minus 5 plus 7 is equal to plus 2. Clear? So absolute value of plus 2 is 2. Absolute value of minus 9 minus 4. Absolute value of minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. Equal to absolute value of minus 13 is equal to 13. That is absolute value has no sign. It indicates how many units away from origin. If it is negative integer, it is clear that it is to the left of 0. If it is positive integer, it is to the right of 0. Clear? That is all about absolute value of a real number. So, understood what is meant by absolute value? And if you like this lesson, please press like button. Also, thank you for watching this lesson. Please share, forward. Also subscribe my channel named Mathline. If you feel it is useful for the students of all the standards. See you next week with a new topic without fail. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.